a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
After a great time in Bahia Concepcion, south of Mulegé in Baja California, Mexico, we head south to try some new places in Loreto.
A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.
We're Rich and Robin,
And these are our midlife adventures.
living in and out of our midlife van.
Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it.
Leaving Playa Los Cocos, Rich.
Yep, only got a week, Rob, but it's good. We have.
I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.
And El Burro.
'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way. Find my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way. Find my way, my way.
Back to the Loreto checkpoint, Rich.
Looks like there's nobody on our side.
Well, they might still walk over.
Okay.
Last time they walked over and told us to keep going, but you still gotta stop. You can't just plow right through, Rich. He's gotta, what is it called? A gun. I was gonna use another word for gun, but he's checking all those people. And just waves us through, Rich. You think if you didn't make eye contact, they'd chase you down?
That's what my thought was, Robin, because I'm trying to look at them, nobody's looking, and then finally I kind of wave a little bit, and then I go thumbs up, and they're like, go.
Get out of here.
Don't want to assume that maybe they don't need it, but then they're assuming that you got to wait there because it says Alto,
It does.
and wait there until they find their time to come over. But yeah, another easy peasy.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way.
The taco place we were going to try out was closed, but thankfully there was a place across the street, Taco Nanny's, to try. We now have a new favorite taco place in Loreto. When we arrived at our new beach location, I was telling Rich how I read online that you shouldn't go too far down the beach as it goes from rocky to sandy and gets soft fast. He thought he could make it and soon found out it was too soft. But with his recovery gear, he was able to make it out pretty easy. Off on another kayak. Oh, you want to check that out on the way back and go to the point first? Go the furthest out and then work our way back. How about that? These rocks, looks like when they make all the rock pools in Southern California.
Oh yeah, right, yeah. All fake. Big Sergeant Majors.
Little baby Sergeant Majors. The big ones.
What you got, kid?
Yep, fish. So many sergeant majors. Trying to stop. What? What is it? Okay, we didn't beach it, we rocked it.
Yeah.
Now what's over this little berm? The marina? All the sailboats? A few sailboats. Some of those lawnmower parachute guys. What are they called? Look at that mountain range. It's cool. Mile and a half? Mile and a quarter?
Mile and a half.
Mile and a half.
Pretty cool, huh? It's a combination of everything here. This is like lava rock here.
Yeah.
And you got these just massive boulders.
That have broken off of the lava rock and then tumbled around the water. Then you got some plants growing on them. You got a mangrove going over there. And then over in this corner, there's a beach. And you can hike over to our beach.
Like that little
Uh-huh.
valley there.
Yeah, I think there's two different ones that you can hike over to where we are camped at. Shorter than kayaking. Rich decided to kayak a portion of the way back to camp. On your camera, look at them.
This one's dark blue with a white stripe.
Dark blue and a white stripe?
Oh, you got a little tow truck there? You got a trailer going on?
I do. Show the people at home what you got underneath there. Look at that. Smooth as butter. Water tunnel.
Wall of fish right over here.
A little,
Like a hole in there.
chug-a-look, chug-a-look. Let's go eat lunch. My watch says 2 hours and 15 minutes, but it's been paused a couple times, so I think it's been over 3 hours. Scared the out of them, Rich. Finishing your snorkel. Unfortunately, we lost some footage of our hike from our camp spot on the beach up over the ridge to the bay. But it was an enjoyable hike with some great views.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way.
Unfortunately, we lost a lot of footage of the rest of this trip, so our adventure ends here. Stay tuned for our next adventure, though, where we not only go on a cruise to Europe, but we rent a van and visit 10 countries in 10 days, exploring Europe by van.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay.